If you ever had to evacuate in a hurry, would you know exactly what to grab? Today I'll show you how Copilot in Word helps you quickly create a personalized bug out bag checklist so you don't have to think in a stressful moment. I'm Christine from Microsoft. Let's get started. Open Word and click on the Draft with Copilot box at the top of the page. I live alone with my small dog and I want something simple that I can grab quickly if I ever need to evacuate. So I'm going to ask Copilot to create a bug out bag checklist for one adult and one small dog. Organize it by categories like essentials, documents, first aid, food, and gear. Copilot gives me a clear, organized list of what to pack for both me and my dog. It's a great starting point, especially since I've never made a bug out bag before. Next, I want to be sure I have everything I need based on where I live, so it reflects the risks I might face. I'm going to ask Copilot to customize this checklist to risks that are specific to the San Diego area, like earthquakes and wildfires. Copilot updates the list so I'm prepared for the emergencies that can happen here in San Diego and not missing anything important. I know it's good to have most things pre-packed, but I also know that that's not always the case. I want to make sure this checklist is easy to scan if I'm in a rush. I'll type reorganize this checklist by priority: must have, nice to have, and optional. Copilot restructures the list so I can see what's critical, what's helpful, and what I can skip if I'm short on time. Now I have a checklist that's organized, prioritized, and easy to find. It'll help me in a stressful moment. If this made emergency preparation feel a little easier, join us again in our next video for more tips about Copilot.